The third product on this list is the Drewitt Tufting Gun. This isn't just a tufting kit. It's a ticket to crafting greatness for both beginners and craft connoisseurs. Say goodbye to crafting FOMO, because all this inclusive marvel delivers the goods. A tufting gun, tools that mean business, yarn that dreams are spun from, and instructions that are basically crafting GPS. It's like a DIY superhero cape for turning rooms into wonderlands or whipping up gifts that'd make even unicorns jealous. And here's the magic trick. It's a 2-in-1 wizard that effortlessly flips between cut pile and loop pile techniques, giving your creations more styles than a chameleon at a fashion show. Speed demons, brace yourselves. This tufting gun hits a whopping 5 to 45 stitches per second. And if that doesn't make your heart race, it can adjust carpet height from a grassy 0.27 inches to a luxurious 0.74 inches. Hold on to your hats because it's boosting production efficiency by a mind-boggling 80 to 150 times compared to these old-school manual methods. Worried about crafting catastrophes? Fear not, for this gun's got your back with a safety net of overvoltage, overcurrent, and short-circuit protection. It's basically the bodyguard your creative genius deserves. Moreover, this unit weighs in at just 3 pounds, light as a feather. Plus, it's got a handle that rotates a full 360 degrees, giving your wrists a VIP treatment. We're talking optimal comfort and flexibility, as if the tufting gun is whispering, "Craft away, dear artist." So, if you're ready to take your creative visions and turn them into tufted masterpieces that'll leave folks swooning, the Drewitt Tufting Gun Kit is your golden ticket. Unleash your inner crafting virtuoso and make those yarns sing. Its pros are: it has everything you need to start tufting, from the tufting gun itself to yarn tools and even a specially stored toolbox. It allows you to switch between cut pile and loop pile techniques, giving you the flexibility to create a variety of designs. And it has a 360-degree adjustable auxiliary handle that provides maximum comfort and flexibility during use, reducing fatigue during extended crafting sessions. However, it needs regular cleaning to ensure consistent performance. The Drewitt Tufting Gun is the perfect choice for both beginners and experienced crafters who want to easily create stunning rugs and artworks with its 2-in-1 tufting capabilities.